Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about these Advil individual packets of tablets. Now, there's 2 tablets in here, and each tablet is 200 milligrams, and this is ibuprofen, and it helps with pain relief and fever reducing. And this is just a perfect little box with this little dispenser. You can close it up or keep it, open. Put it in your linen closet so you can have it readily available, on the go type of packets, so you don't have to carry a bulky bottle. And I know when I carry a bottle, it always opens up for some way and spills all over the bottom of my purse. So now I can just slip these in my pocket if I need to, in my first aid kit, in my glove box. I can put these all kind of places, and it just doesn't take up much space. This is a really easy way to make sure that you have some medication with you when you need it. And that's just my honest opinion.